For women. It will stop the aging and rejuvenate the whole body. Recipe. Women through history have constantly been obsessed with preserving the youthful appearance of the skin, and the endless search of things that can prevent the aging and provide youthful appearance will probably never end. Today there is a very large number of women that go through expensive aesthetic surgeries to prevent and slow down the process of aging. There is also a very big group of women that look so much younger than their age, and they never went through surgeries. Some of them reveal their secrets of looking even 15 years younger than the real age. The recipe for the elixir of youth. There is a woman that shares her magical elixir of youth. She claims that after the use of this elixir, she felt improvement in her sight. Her skin became softer and more elastic, and her hair not only became thicker, but also stopped to gray. This is her recipe: 2 medium-sized lemons, 1 big head of garlic, 100 milliliters flaxseed oil, 0.5 kilogram of honey. Preparation: clean and peel the cloves of garlic. Peel 1 lemon and leave the other with skin. Cut them in smaller pieces. Then mince them in a blender. Then mix it with the honey and add the flaxseed oil and mix all again to unite it well. Keep the mixture sealed in a glass jar in the fridge. Eat a tablespoon of the elixir 3 times a day, half hour before a meal. How does this work? Flaxseed oil is herbal hormone. Flax seeds contains linoleic and oleic acid, palmitic fatty acid, and the most important is alpha-linolenic acid. They make flaxseed oil the richest natural source of fatty acids. Flaxseed oil is also a source of antioxidants called lignans. These antioxidants, when combined with lemon, are perfect cleaner for the liver, and clean liver is the main generator of youth. Lemon is rich with vitamin C, that is immunity booster, and it also strengthens the blood vessels. Garlic cleans the blood vessels and provides all the body cells with needed nutrients so they can properly renew and rejuvenate the whole organism. You can combine this natural elixir with natural anti-aging masks, creams, massages. You also need to be careful about what you eat. Your body needs nutrients that you can provide from fresh fruits and vegetables. If you do everything right, you will achieve results.